Hello, you hopeless romantic. I'm your friend Alan Stone, and I'm here to shed light on the biggest controversy currently plaguing the interwebs, and that is how to properly make a wedding cake. I'm gonna solve it for you on this episode of Alan Stone Makes a Cake for You. First, you're gonna take the dough, the bottom dough, and you're gonna flip it because you don't want to eat the paper. Then you're gonna spread the schmutz. Now for me, I'm feeling the schmutz needs to be the vanilla stuff. So you take a little bit of, luckily I used to be a mason, so I've got this whole brick and mortar thing really situated. Yup. There's a whole gamut of theories about what to do with these layers. But you know what I like to do? You know what would be nice? Landing on one big chocolatey schmutz right in the middle. You get a bite of chocolate right in the middle of that vanilla zest, your whole day's turned.
So just a little bit of the chocolate.
I think it might have dried over.
Okay. There's one.
This is Colgate, actually. I got an idea. Nobody will ever know, but I will. Make a little butt. Covering it up. Yep. Then what do we do? What? I'll tell you, more frosting. And just like children, the first one you're really delicate with. You take your time. You baby-proof the whole house. That second one comes, you don't give a shit. Nope. Whatever goes, I'm exhausted, I can't handle this anymore. Well, that's kind of how you treat that second layer of frosting, all right? Just get it on. Just get it over with. When that third layer comes, poof, you're gonna take your time. We're gonna do something real fun, and we're gonna hide some of these little jawbreakers in there. A little choking hazard, for the kids. Perfectly arranged. And you know what? I'm gonna do them all in one slice. Hopefully they've got a nice dental plan on their LifeWise insurance, because that one's gonna hurt. Now, last layer is coming apart, but that's all right, because we're doing this on a budget. Just kind of do that. One more thing of frosting. Boing. A lot of frosting on that top layer. Yes. Talking diabetes, man. I'm talking years and years. Oh no. That's hot. Beautiful. Now, sometimes when you lose a cake, a big old chunk out of it, what do? You improvise. A little bit of chocolate right in there to fill that gap. Good as new. Good as new. That is gonna be a fancy bite for some unsuspecting patron. Now, this is my favorite part. What do? You put frosting around the whole thing, the entire layer. Throw a little frost on the spread, just like that, and then you get to spinning. Beautiful. I'm gonna tack this a different way. I'm just gonna start. There we go. Big old daisy dollops right there. Oh, and then you flatten it out. Beautiful. And then you repeat. Yup. And any excess schmutz, you want to make sure that's on the cake. I like to get the whole body into this last section. The more you express yourself when making a cake, the better it tastes. Oh, one more last zhuzh around the edge. Man, there's a lot of frosting on this cake. And of course, your finished product. Ta-da!
Alan Stone does things that other people do better.
That's perfect.
I would watch that
Stone's
YouTube series.
Alan Stone's tutorial on things that other people do better.